It's Christmas, and I got stuff. Got a vest, some gloves. This is airsoft stuff, by the way. And the big things that I got was a foosball table, like a mini one, a giant beanbag chair, a blanket. These are my old headphones. I got 10,000 BBs, 2,500 in every little bag. I got this sick 1911. It's like golden, orange, and black. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time. And then this really lightweight tactical M16. It's got a flashlight. I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna get some more stuff in a little later. Probably for my brother, and my dad got me strawberry Starbucks or Mercury thing. It was expensive. I got some cologne. Yeah, my vest. Vest is cool. No, I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I think I scored pretty well. What else did I get? Oh, I got a little Bluetooth player. That's the case. Oh, there it is. Man, it's so dark in my room. Bluetooth player. That, like, Bluetooth to my phone. I got a headset there, right there, my TV. It's really hard to see. My Xbox headset. I like it. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got. Candy. That's what I do. Yeah, I got a bunch of crap. So yeah, the Smith & Wesson M16, the Protection Z, or Protect Z 1911. I'll review this later. I think it's awesome. Alright. See ya. Oh, I also got a mask. Never mind. It's out in my living room. I'll show you later. But see you guys.